Hi Dollar Divas, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm continuing on with my Dollar Tree makeup swatch party series. It's where I go through different sections of my Dollar Tree makeup collection and swatch the makeup products for you. I've done a couple eyeshadow ones and I've done a blush one. Today I'm focusing on my Dollar Tree bronzers. So the makeup look I'm wearing is a full face of new Dollar Tree makeup. And so if it is up, I will have it linked down below, so definitely check that out. If not, then be on the lookout. I'm using some of the new Marie Claire makeup. I've got an eye and lip kit, as well as a new LA Colors shimmer shadow and the GOV foundation. So if you are returning Dollar Diva, thank you so much for coming on back for another video. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Jessica and I'm basically a bargain makeup channel. What I mean by that is I love to do a lot of the same fun content that other makeup channels like to do. I just like to try to keep it in the bargain price point. So the closer to $1, the better. So that's why I do like my Dollar Tree makeup collection type videos and all that kind of thing, because I just think it's fun to treat bargain makeup the same way we would any kind of makeup. So if it sounds like you're in the right place, I do hope you'll subscribe and become part of our Dollar Diva family here on YouTube. And I will have the other videos in this series linked down below, as well as some other related content. Definitely go give my other content a binge watch, and you can catch up on what we've been doing here. Yeah, so without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's video. So my bronzer collection is not as beefy as my blush or eyeshadow collection or my lip color collection, but it is pretty, it's pretty healthy. So I've got quite a few products, so we'll just go ahead and dive in. So I'm gonna start with powder products. So kind of new this year, Mercery has been kind of a brand that came out this year, and they've rolled out quite a few different products for us this year. They came out with 2 bronzers, and they don't really have a shade name, but they have a lighter shade and they have kind of a darker shade. So here are the shades up close. You can see they're kind of more of like a warmer tone. This is really dark, really warm. This one here is going to be much more better for fair skin. When I'm not tan, I get a decent effect with this. And this one has a little hint of shimmer, nothing super duper crazy. And I really don't mind a little bit of shimmer in my bronzer. And so there are the swatches of both of those. See, very pigmented. That one there would be beautiful on some paler skin, especially if you're a little bit warm. And then that one there is a very warm and very, very pigmented. They don't have much in between. These are the 2 shades they have. So I'm hoping they roll out with some more products. I do have a foundation for them that I'm getting ready to try. And of course, they are kind of now, really they kind of won my heart when they came out with all their different concealers that really had a much better shade range than anything we've ever seen at Dollar Tree in the way of complexion products. So that is those are the Mercery bronzers. Then I've got this one here. Is the best of my knowledge, Be Pure doesn't really make many powdered bronzers, but they do have this one here. I bought this a couple years ago. They kind of look like food. They look like little donuts or whatever. This one here actually has like a little, like kind of a peachy, shimmery type of a thing in the middle. I'll swatch that. It doesn't have, and now this here does not have a lot of color payoff. So I really don't reach for it very much. This would be really nice for like a much lighter skin tone. But for me, there's not much of a payoff. This will probably be something that I declutter at some point. But yeah, you can kind of see, it doesn't show up great on me, but if you did have like a lighter skin tone, it would be really, really good for you. So now LA Colors. LA Colors, of course, that's where I have the majority of my blush collection. And so you see these ones here all the time. They've recently changed the packaging. They're like more in like mauve packaging. These are, you know, really solid, nice bronzers. They're a bit shimmery and they're really close in color. This one here is bronze and this one here is baked. But like I said, if this is what you find at Dollar Tree, they're really not terrible. I reach for them often. So the one on top here is baked and that one is bronzed. So see, they're really nice. They're on the warm side, but they are really, really nice bronzers. They're probably the most readily available and easy to find. But if you've been scared to try them, don't be. They're actually really nice. And they may have even reformulated the newer ones. I need to probably pick them up just to see. So, but yeah, that is what we've got so far. Then this one here, this one you can see I've hit pan. This is the LA Colors matte bronzer. They used to make one in the same container that was a shimmer bronzer, too shimmery, and it didn't have enough color payoff. I actually decluttered mine a long time ago. But this is in the shade Bronzed Beauty, and this is probably my favorite bronzer from Dollar Tree. And again, it's pretty like readily available too. It's just this matte bronzer. It's not too warm. It's not too light. It's not too dark. It's something that you could build up probably for darker skin, and you can go with a light hand for lighter skin. And I would say it's probably the least warm out of all of them. It's the most neutral. So yeah, this here is like my favorite if I had to pick one. Then LA Colors in their spring collections will come out with like a bronzer or two in every collection, and they're all slightly different in my experience. This one here is from this past year. Again, I hit pan. This is from the Just Vibin' collection. This one's in Let's Go. Really beautiful bronzer shade. Then this one here is from the Beauty Through the Decades line. This is from a few years ago. This is in Working Gal. These are just velvety soft and wonderful. So there's that one. That one there is a little bit more of like a taupe as well. A little less warm. Then this one here was from the Nude Glam collection from about 3 or so years ago. This is in the shade Siren. So there you go. As you can see, those are a little less warm and just all very slightly. Like if you had more of a rosier skin tone, that one there would be really nice for you. So those are my LA Colors bronzers. So now you got Be Pure. So Be Pure came out with dupes for Charlotte Tilbury, their bronzers, their liquid blushes, and their highlighters. So these are their bronzers. You've got, this is the Glow Up Contour. It's with hyaluronic acid. You got medium dark and fair medium. And they had those like little sponge tips. I took mine off, but they literally are dupes for Charlotte Tilbury. So I'm going to swatch them and then let them dry down so you can kind of see what they look like when they dry down. So there you go. So there they are. They're dried down. So, you know, really different shades. That one there, I have to go with a really light hand with that one, but I can wear that one, especially when I'm tan. And that's just a beautiful shade right there. Just something kind of right there in the middle, very wearable for a lot of skin tones. So then these are supposed to be a dupe for Drunk Elephant bronzing drops. These are the Be Pure bronzer drops. It says they have cocoa extract, shea butter, and vitamin E. And I find that instead of using this as like a bronzer, it's really nice to mix in with your foundation to get a little bit of a glowier foundation. Some people even mix this in. I've even had some Dollar Divas said that they mix this in with like just moisturizer, which is really nice to do as well. These kind of went viral. So yeah, there you go. See, they're shimmery, but they're not super warm. But yeah, like I said, I like to kind of mix it in with my foundation to get a little bit more of a glowier foundation. So when LA Colors had their spring collections, this past year, one of their collections came out with a bunch of blushes and a highlighter and a liquid bronzer as well. This is in the shade Sunflower, so it kind of comes in this little tube. And I find this to be a really nice bronzer as well. Again, this is something that's a little bit on the more neutral side. It's not quite as warm as some of the other stuff we've tried. See, as you can see, it's just a little bit more neutral compared to some of these other things. But yeah, that's what we've got so far. I've got 3 more things to swatch. So this was something I found at Dollar Tree, and I actually bought a backup because I really liked it. It's the Rimmel Jelly Bronzer. This is in the shade Golden Touch. I've used quite a bit of this one here. And it's just a jelly bronzer. It's just one of those things that I found at Dollar Tree randomly. And it's a really nice bronzer. It's a little shimmery. It's really easy to work with because you'll kind of see what it looks like on my hand. It's just really easy to blend. And it's not so dark, but it's buildable. So that is there. It's just a really nice bronzer, really nice liquid bronzer. I didn't realize it would look like so many on my arm, but so I got 2 more to show you, and I might actually have to put these under my arm. So years ago, I found this here. This was when Dollar Tree was selling all that hard candy stuff. This is the Hard Candy Fox in a Box Marbleized Baked Bronzer. This is in Party Girl, so it kind of comes in these containers like Benefit. And it's just this marbleized baked bronzer. It's shimmery, very velvety, and it smells like Cocoa Pebbles. So let's see, I'm gonna put this. And I do reach for this sometime. Like I said, it's a little bit more on the neutral side. And it's a little shimmery, but nothing super, super scary. I have a blush as well from them, the Fox in the Box from Hard Candy that ended up at Dollar Tree. So that was just one of those fun finds a few years ago. And then this isn't actually a bronzer, but I use it as a bronzer. Again, it's something that I found at Dollar Tree a few years back. It's actually an e.l.f. Pressed powder, but it's in medium dark. So, and again, I've hit pan. So I use it as a bronzer. It makes a wonderful bronzer, you guys. So there we go. That is the e.l.f. right there. So yeah, this is my Dollar Tree bronzer collection, y'all. I didn't feel like it was that much, but now that it's all over my arm, it feels like a whole lot more. So definitely let me know which ones you have, which ones you enjoy, or which ones you don't enjoy. Let me know if there's something you have that I don't have. I always love hearing. That's like my favorite thing to hear about. So if you enjoyed this video, show me you did by hitting the like button. If you missed the other videos in the series, definitely go down and check the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.